Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to make a web page having 3D effects in it using HTML and CSS. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started with it. So first thing first, we will open google.com in your browser and we will search for iPhone 6 black 3D model and we will download it, and then we will search for iPhone screenshot, and then we will search for Apple logo. Download both of these files and place them on our desktop. Yeah, here we go. I will open Photoshop in our PC. It will take a bit of time. Okay, so it's now open. I will open the iPhone 6 model in it. Let's open it. Let's browse for desktop, and here we go. Yeah. And now I'll drag the screenshot into the Photoshop application, and we will crop it by pressing Ctrl plus T. To change the dimensions of the screenshot, we will press Ctrl plus T plus left mouse click. Make all the edges fit perfectly into the screen of the phone. It should look real. Yeah, it looks nice. Now we'll save the layer 1 and layer 2 in different files. And then we will open the Apple logo too, that is our logo too. Yeah, it is some kind of text. We will delete it. Delete all the three, and I will press Ctrl plus T. Press Ctrl plus T to crop the photo, and while pressing left mouse click, we will press Ctrl plus T to change the dimensions of our logo to make it appear 3D. Place it in the left bottom of our image. Yeah. We'll make a new folder Apple. Inside that we'll make a new folder images. Now we'll copy all the three files into our images and paste it. Now we'll open Atom editor, and I'll open the Apple which is located on our desktop. We'll make a new file index.html by pressing A, and I'll make a new folder. We will make a new folder CSS. Inside that we'll make a new file styles.css. I'll type HTML in index.html file, and we'll copy the bootstrap CDN and link our CSS styles to it. And I will add a new section that is having a class new sec, and we'll write a h4 that has class flexible -h, and the text will be flexible on every line break tag inside of span, and we'll write inside phone, and when the span tag closes we'll write out there. We'll make a new div iPhone section. Inside this div we'll make a new div box, and we'll write image tag, and the source will be, I think we'll write the class first iPhone, and the source will be images / iPhone edit1.png. Yeah, now I'll copy it and paste it one time, and we'll change the class, that is write screen and screen1, and we will change the source, that is images, and change it to edit2.png, and I will copy it and paste it 4 times for all our 5 screens. We'll change the screen numbers. We'll start from 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yeah. I'll make outside of both of this div, we'll make a new div Apple logo 2, which has class, which is the class, and we'll write an image tag, which is source images slash Apple logo 2.png, and which is class logo 2. Oh, sorry, that was the source and this is the class. Yeah. We'll copy and paste it 4 times, and we'll change the logo 2.1, logo 2 to logo 2.3, and logo 2.3, logo 2.4 and logo 2.5. You don't need to write this, we'll use different method for this logo. You don't need to write this logo 2.1, logo 2.2, logo 2.3, etc. We'll save it and open the file in a browser by copying a full path of the index.html. For now it looks scarier, so let's open the CSS file and edit it. Write body tag, overflow exceedent to disable the horizontal scroll, and our height should be 100 view height. Icon section, position should be absolute, right should be 0 pixels, padding should be 0 pixels, dot box class position should be absolute. Oh, spelling mistake, I'm really sorry, absolute. Height should be 50 view height and the width should be 100%. Yeah, we'll go back. We'll access the iPhone class and the width will be 600 pixels. Height will be 500 pixels. Yeah. For now the icon is not visible. Let's make changes to it. We'll edit it, we'll make it 580 pixels because the original property of that image file is 600 into 580 pixels. I will access the screen class using position, and the property will be position absolute, top should be 0, left should be 0, transition should be 0.5 seconds, width should be 600 pixels, height should be 580 pixels, same as that model. Box is to hover, dot screen and dot screen 1. No, we'll make it screen 5 firstly. Yeah, we'll transform it and we'll translate x to -160 pixels, and the opacity will be 1. I'll copy and paste it 4 times for all of our 5 screens. Screen 3, screen 2 and screen 1. We'll decrease the negative value of x and translate x by -40 pixels, and the opacity will be also decreased by 0.2. Make sure the final opacity should be not less than 0.2 or your object will be completely invisible. Now we'll access the flexible-h class. Position should be absolute. Left should be 150 pixels and the transformation should be, we'll translate it to y direction. Make it 100 pixels. So the font size should be 580 pixels, no 50 pixels. I'm really sorry, font size should be 50 pixels. Text align should be right. Transition should be 0.5 seconds, 0.5, whatever it is, 0.5 seconds. And the Z index should be 0, which you don't need to write because it is the default value of the Z index. The flexible-h will access the span tag of the flexible-h and will write the property font size equal to 100 pixels. Color is 60-60-60, has 60-60, which is some kind of gray color, and while flexible-h is to hover, the font size should be 60 pixels. Text shadow should be 2 pixels, hashtag 60-60-60, same hashtag. and now copy and paste it down here, and we'll access the span tag, sorry. And now color will put here, color should be black, no, it will put it gray, and the text shadow should be 2 pixels, hashtag 000, that is black color, 6 times 0 or 3 times 0. Dot Apple logo 2, position should be relative, height should be inherited, width should be inherited, and dot Apple logo 2, dot logo 2, position 2 should be absolute, from top it should be 320 pixels, from left it should be minus 50 pixels, transition should be 0.8 seconds, and the opacity should be 0.3. I'll access the Apple logo 2 is to hover dot logo 2 is to nth child, which is a property of CSS. And now we'll transform it, we will scale it by 1 and translate it by 0,0 pixels. To the default value. I'll copy. Now make sure you write the opacity too. Now we'll copy and paste 4 times. We'll access the all 5 childs, child 2, child 3, child 4 and child 5. We'll translate it, and the H will be increasing by 5 pixels and Y will be decreased basically by minus 20 pixels. And we'll scale it by 0.15 in every child gradually. So let's make it 10, 15, 20 and minus 60, let's make it 40, the difference should be 40 here, minus 80, minus 100, yeah. .2, yeah, let's change the opacity, and now let's save all our files. Yeah, now let's refresh it. Look guys, we got what we wanted. It's looking attractive. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more awesome videos. Thanks for watching.